Hello friends, welcome to my channel online learning website. Today we discuss the topic Microsoft Office and its very important objective questions, those very important for your upcoming examinations. The first question is that a collection of related files is called. The right answer is C, that is your database. The second question that is in which group do we work at the time of text formatting in the world? The right answer is A, that is table, paragraph and indexes. Question number third, to save an existing files with new name at new location we should use dash command. The right answer is C, that is your save as. Question number 4, Excel workbook is a collection of. The right answer is C, that is worksheet. Question number 5, in a spreadsheet program that dash contains related worksheets and documents. The right answer is A, workbook. Question number 6, which one of the following software applications would be the most appropriate for performing numericals and statistical calculation? The right answer is 6 ka D, that is your spreadsheet. Question number 7, the background of any Word document dash. The right answer is 7 ka D, that is can have any color you choose. Question number 8, what is a default file extension for all Word documents? The right answer is D, that is DOC. Next question, question number 9, text is in a column is generally aligned. The right answer is D, left. Text is a column is generally aligned and left. The next question, question number 10. Question number 10 is that a directory within a directory is called. Okay. A directory within a directory is called. What is the right answer? Is question number 10. That is D, subdirectory. Question number 11. For opening and closing of a file in Excel, you can use which bar? The right answer is B, that is your standard. Question number next 13. Question number 12. You click to at B to make the text. The right answer is 12 ka T, that is bold. You click at B to make the text. The right answer is 12 ka D, that is your bold. Question number 13. For creating a document, you use dash command at file menu. The right answer is 13 ka C, that is new. Question number 40. You can start the Microsoft Word by using dash button. Question 14 ka B, that is start. Question 15. In Excel, charts are created using which option? The right answer is 15 ka A, that is your chart wizard. Question number 16. In page preview mode dash. The right answer is 16 ka A. You can see all pages of your document. The next question, question number 17, that your file extensions are used in order to. The right answer is D, identify the file type. Question number 18, which one of the following software applications would be the most appropriate for performing numericals and statistical calculation? The right answer is 18 ka D, that is your spreadsheet. Question number 19, which elements of a Word documents can be displayed in a color? The right answer is C, that is all elements. Question number 20, a collection of related information stored and dealt with as a unit is. The right answer is 20 ka C, that is your file. Question 21, MS Word is an example of. The right answer is B, a processing device. Question 22, a blanking point which shows your position in the text is called. The right answer is 22 ka B, that is your cursor. Question 23, which application is commonly used to prepare a presentation / slideshows? The right answer is B, that is your PowerPoint. Question 24, the quickest and easiest way in a Word to locate a particular word or phrase in a document is used to command. The right answer is 24 ka, that is your B 24 का that is your B 24 का B that is your find. Question 25. What kind of software would you most likely use to keep track of a billing account? The right answer is 25 का A that is your word processing. Question 26. The question 26 that what are the bus, doc and STM examples of? The right answer is B that is extension. Question 27. A dash is a unique name that you give to a file of information. That is right answer 27 C. That is a file name. A file name is a unique name that you give to a file of information. Question number 28. Editing document consists of reading through the documents you are created then. The right answer is A. Correcting your errors. Question 29 is in a database dash fields stores numbers used to perform calculation. The right answer is 29 ka D that is your numeric. Question 30 all of the following terms are associated with the spreadsheet software except. The right answer is D that is virus detection. Question 31 which of the following is not a true about the computer files? The right answer is 31 ka C that is your a file extension is stabilized by the users to indicate the file content. Question 32 that is to add or put into your documents such as a pictures or text use. The right answer is 32 B that is your insert. Question 33 what is the main folder or storage device called? C that is a root directory. Question 34 for creating a document you use dash command at the file menu. C that is your new. Question 35 a dash is created by an application is C that is a document. Question 36 two different files can have the same name if. The right answer is A they are in different folders. Question 37 meaningful file names helps in easy files. C that is identification. Question 38 a program that enables you to perform calculation involving rows and columns of numbers is called a. The right answer is 38 ka A that is your spreadsheet program. Question 39 to dash a document means to make change of its existing content. The right answer is C that is your edit. Question 40 periodically adding, changing and deleting the files records is called the A updating. Question 41 how can you save a presentation under a new file's name? The right answer is A that is select the file menu and choose save as. Question 42 saving is the process of copying a document from memory to storage or medium. Question 43 when computer users dash or documents they change its appearance. The right answer is 43 cut D that is your format. Question 44 what menu is selected to a print? That is file. Question 45 a saved document is referred to as a file. Question 46 a command that takes what has been typed into the computer and can be seen on the screen and sends it to the printer for output on a paper. The right answer is 46 A that is print. Question 47 to find a saved document in the computer's memories and brings it up on the screen to view. The right answer is 47 C that is retrieve. Question number 48 allows you to print that is your next question. Question 49 question 48 का answer you have to find self. Question 49 that is your the different styles of lettering in a word processing program. font. Question 50. To change written work already done. The right answer is 50 का B, that is your edit. Question 51. To exit the program without leaving the application. The dash is D, that is your cart away. Question 52. Commands that saves what you are working on into the hard drive or onto a disk. The right answer is 52 ka, that is C, save. Question 53. A command to go a file you worked on the from the memory where it is was stored. C, that is open. Question 54 ka B, a program that works like a calculator for keeping track of money and making budgets. The right answer is 54 ka B, that is spreadsheet. Question 55. What menu is selected to save or save as? The right answer is B, that is your file. Question 56. A dash includes the file name and possibly a directory of a folder. The right answer is 56 ka C, that is file directory. Question 57 says that to print a document, press. The right answer is, what is the right answer is 57 ka B, that is control plus P. Question 58. A dash is text that you want printed at the bottom of the page. The right answer is 58 ka D, that is footer. Question 59. What menu is selected to change font and style? The right answer is 59, that C, format. Question 60. Items such as names and addresses are considered. The right answer is 60 ka C, that is your records. Question 61. A telephone numbers, a birth date and a customer name are all examples of. 61 ka D, that is your a database. Question 62. Which of the following contains information about a single unity entity in the database like person, place, event or thing? The right answer is 62 ka C, that is record. Question 63. Numbers in the table columns are usually. The right answer is B, left aligned. Question 64. By default, your documents print in a dash mode. The right answer is 64 ka B, that is portrait. Question 65. 65 right answer क्या होगा? Which type of a file is created by the word processing program? 65 का D, that is your document files. Question 66. Data is stored in a computer as a files. Question 67. Question 67, that is the name a users assign a document is called an. The right answer is A, file name. Question 68. What is the main folder on a storage device called? The right answer is 68 ka, that is your C, root directory. Question 69. In order to email a Word document from within the Word dash A, go to file sent to mail receipt. Question 70. The dash features in the Word automatically corrects certain spellings, typing, capitalizations or grammar errors. The right answer is D, that is your autocorrect. Question 71. You organize files by storing them in B, folders. Question 72. In order to create a columnar data in the world, you have. Question 72. In order to create a columnar data in the world, you need to dash. The right answer is B, set tabs or use the table menu. Question 73. When you want to move the sum text from one page to a different page, the best method is to. The right answer is B, that is cut and paste. Question 74. A red wavy lines under a word indicates that the word dash is B, that is not in the dictionary files and therefore might be spelled incorrectly. Question 75. When creating a word process document, these steps involve the users changing how words on the page appear both on the screen and is printed from the 75 C, that is formatting text. Question 76. When a file is saved for the first time, the right answer is B. It must be given a name to identify it. Question 76. That's 76. That question 77. The acronym DBMS stands for what? The right answer is B. Question that is right answer is C. That is data binding and marketing structure. That is the right answer. It is C. Data binding and marketing structure. Question 78. Softwares you can use to create a budget is called, that is D. Spreadsheet software. Next question 79. Numbers and formula entered in a cell are called, right answer is B. Numeric entities. Question 80. Microsoft Office is an example of a C. Horizontal market software. Question 81. You can use dash copy selected text and dash paste it in a document. The right answer is 81 ka D, that is your shift plus C and alt plus P. Question 82. Numbers in a table columns are usual. The right answer is 82 ka B, that is left aligned. Question 83. Each box in a spreadsheet is called a, the right answer is A, cell. Question 84. When a file is saved for the first time, it must be given a name to identify it. Question 85. If a previously saved file is added, the right answer is to file must be saved again to store the changes. Question 86. To print a document, the right answer is A. Select the print command and then select OK. Question 87. A dash is a collection of information saved a unit. The right answer is 87 ka B, that is file. Thanks for watching and sharing.